Guys, so today is like day 3 of the trip and we're gonna leave the lodge. So this is our lodge from outside. The inside I think I showed you, so I'm gonna show you the view around and I'll give you my reviews about the lodge later on. So right now we're going to head for the breakfast that's been covered, and after that we're gonna head to Serengeti. So we're really excited about this one because yesterday I did not vlog, so I'm gonna I was really exhausted, so I'm probably gonna vlog in the car. So right now let's go to breakfast and I'll show you the view. So that's the lake view and this is the lodge we were staying. So it's called Marambu Lodge, and yeah, it's been flooded. We had like a private swimming pool which we didn't use, of course, because we didn't have time. So right now it's been flooded. So in summer apparently this lake is dry and you can see animals walking around. So this is the rainy season, so of course like there's no animals because it's flooded. So that's the bird that's sitting. So yeah, let me walk and talk to you guys about the review of the lodge. So we came here around 6 p.m. Last night, and yeah, my first impression, as in like there's another couple, we were the only 2 people on the lodge, so it felt a little creepy, but this is the off season, so this is how it's gonna be. So right now with the reviews, I really like the lodge. It was comfortable. Apparently it's much closer to Serengeti, so we can travel faster. So yeah, food was amazing. So we're gonna have a breakfast which I'm gonna show you guys too. So I would recommend this lodge. I would give it probably like a 4.5 out of a 5. So I will link the lodge. I mean, there's no sponsorship, guys, so I'll just link the lodge details. If you want to try it out, you could. So see you at the breakfast.
Process, like volcanism process. It's whereby, due to the compression force, tectonic plate all split in the crust. So one goes down and another one remain up. Where we are the part of the plate which went down. Elevation is about 900. But soon we will be going a high land of the Rift Valley all the way to the Ngorongoro Mountains.
Okay.
Elevation will reach up to 3,000 meters above the sea level. Wow. Soon we will go through the Rift Valley escarpment ahead.
Oh, okay.
If you follow it, it will come all the way from Ethiopia, Sudan, Kenya, Somalia, Tanzania, all the way to the Mozambique.
Oh.
So
the same mountains?
Yeah, the landscapes. And along it you will find Mountain Kenya, Tanzania, Ngorongoro, Mountain Kilimanjaro, Mountain Meru.
Oh.
Yeah, along it. All about Salt Lake, like Lake Natron, Lake Nakuru in Kenya, Ngorongoro down the crater is Lake Magadi and Lake Manyara. They are all salt lake. So it's suitable habitat for flamingos.
Oh.
We'll see flamingos too.
Okay.
Yeah, they're different kind of like a purple, like a blue. They're really interesting.
So what is a tanzanite? Like what?
The tanzanite is a gemstone, precious stone found near Kilimanjaro area.
Okay.
And worldwide you can find it only in Tanzania.
Wow.
It's like a purple color and a dark blue. Yeah, It's really amazing.
So what is malachite stone then?
What happened?
Malachite?
Parasite.
Yeah, there's one more stone. No?
Yeah, that is a different kind. They also have a ruby. Yeah.
So gemstones are popular in Africa?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Popular
And you
in
get like
Africa.
authentic ones?
Yeah, we have this tanzanite. We have called diamond.
So diamond is more cheaper here compared to the rest of the world?
You get a chance to be near like Victoria area where the mining is. Might be cheaper.
Oh, okay. Hey guys, so we just stopped at the Tanzanian gift souvenir shop. So right now we are headed to Serengeti. So we are on our way, and he was just talking about how there are two different tectonic plates and how the landscape changes between between the lower elevation and the higher elevation. So the higher you go, the denser the forest gets, of course. So we are going to the Serengeti National Park right now, and yep, stay tuned.
The hollow horns.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay.
The deer, some of them they don't have hollow horns.
Oh.
Yeah.
So impala is also a
It's
deer.
also an antelope.
Antelope.
Hamna chakula. Hamna bana. Sogea mgeni anachukua picha. Two different species together. The big one, they are ground. We call them so because they are big, ground. Thompsons, is someone discover them?
Yeah. I know.
Oh,
They like to roll in the dust. So
yeah.
check out the parasites.
It's a lioness, right?
Yeah. We already there.
Where?
Illondo.
Oh, this guy's here.
There are two.
And they just don't care.
ರಾತ್ರಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ See, there are two lions. One, two.